Okay. This is chapter 2, 1A. I believe chapter 2, 1A. Alright. So we are going to, this is chapter 1A fixed. So we'll go to the profit analysis worksheet and apply the office theme. So go page layout, themes, office. Update the column and row sizes in the worksheet as described below. Change the width of column A to 15. And auto fit row 1. So hover over it. You see the arrows going both ways. There you go. In cell B9, sum function B5 to B8. Let's go function sum B5 to B8. Yep. Alright. And auto populate. Autofill. And format the range B9 to E9. Use counting. With 0 decimal places. Open the fill, change the fill color of range A9 to E9. So A9 to E9. I'm going to go fill. And we're going to choose yellow. Apply top and thick bottom border. Border, top and thick bottom border. Okay, so now we're going to go to, this is step 12 or 7. We're going to do average. Function, average, okay. And B8 through B5 through B8, B5 through B8. Hit OK. Auto populate. B11, I'm going to use the max function. B5 through B8. Autofill. And B12, we use the minimum function. B5 through B8. And autofill. You need to determine the profit generated each year for all departments. In cell B22, create a formula that subtracts. So number one would go equals. And we're going to subtract B9, and we're going to take away B19. Okay. And then we're going to autofill. Now we're going to use conditional formatting. Okay, it's going to highlight these. Go to conditional formatting, new rule, format only cells that contain, change the between to less than, Put the 0 in here. Format, fill, red. Modify the worksheet format described as follows. Page layout, change the portrait orientation to portrait, and the margins to narrow. Add a header. Let's go insert, header. The header is going to be rough stitch clothing profit analysis. Rough clothing profit analysis. Rough stitch clothing profit analysis. Type it exactly the way it's typed there. Select in any cell. Go to view, normal. Set the range A1 to E22. So we're going to get A1 to E22. Page layout, print area, set print area. Click on cell A1. Check spelling. Review spelling. Okay. We're going to change and we're good. Switch to the employee discount worksheet. And we're going to do the IDs. Just follow my instruction. We'll follow the way I do this. Okay. M-A-W-0-010. Highlight. Go to view. And I think it's view. Data. And click flash fill. Auto populates. Okay. Next, F3 to F7. Change percentage to. Go to home. Change this to percentage with 0 decimal places. Format the date. Make it short date. And that's it. Save it, and I'm going to save mine and submit it and see what it gives me. And there we go. Submitted today, and I got a 100% on this one too. Submit it and do it exactly precisely the way that I've done it. You'll get a 100%.